liduduzelwa njani i-Rastaman elikhubazekileyo emoyeni? How do you console a very hurt man in the spirit? Ungaduduzela umndeni uka-Phantom Mojo kanjani if you were to give them condolences?
Okay.
Hey, this is the very sad news. Hey, kodwa ke ndingabadlalela music wakhe just ukuba bafile as ingathi usaphila although engekho, so that babe nala feeling yokuba akalahlekanga, he's still among us.
True.
Yes,
truly give thanks. Sisimbali.
Well, I don't know much about reggae music, so.
Yeah. But like ifana nokusolekelwa njengoba namhlanje bakhona ababherayo namhlanje, you know.
Yeah.
So in a Rasta community, I'm sure iyenziwa different. That's why uthanda ukubhideka. But let's mhlambe ke you Rasta, you are enlightened, and ke ufuneka uphase i-message ye-condolences kwi-family ka-elder. Ungathini wena?
Okay, I would give them a motivation, like to listen, like a positive message.
Yes.
How do I know that person? Ongasekhoyo bene impact enjani? Yes. So that's how, and I'll play the Mundu melodies game. So I would play some beautiful melodies there.
As a very broken heart.
As a soul, okay, what was his favorite music? Okay, your favorite time. I would play such music.
Ake usisimbali intro.
And I was so lost about it for the fight. Yeah.
Yes, yo, yeah, man. I was a prisoner.
Taught me many a trash. It's my love who taught them that. And gave me up to the jail. For a thing that I don't know. I believe many are the same. But different from each other. Many are the same.
Yes,
Different from each other. Many are the same.
Yes, hayi le lifunekayo ngoba uzohlala une-stress xa ungakhali ngoba kuzophinda kuthiwe hayi indoda ayikhali
ayikhali lo.
ekubeni izothi xa inetyala okanye xa ixokelwe ngasamthing izothi xa iyoripota mhlawumbe epolice station uba heyi naku umntu ongumama uyani-abhuyuza
Undenza lokhu nalokhu.
kuthiwe hayi ivele ifike ihlekwe.
Kuthiwa Mkhize zozondalela la. Awuzwe lo mjitsi uthini?
Yes, hayi Mike kuhlekiswe ngayo ithi indoda hayi ndafike ndahlekwe epolice station ndiyoripota. Ibe xa ibisithathela i-action umthetho awuthathele ezandleni zayo izojika ibanjwe ukuthi ayivumelekanga mayithathele umthetho ezandleni zawo. So that man abuse into ekhona so ndabhala le ngoma ke ndifuna ukuvakalisa uba namadoda ayahlukumezeka. And ke wona mostly indoda uvela uvese kuthiwa hayi nansi i-committee suicide.
Yayiva.
Yeah.
Suicide over a girlfriend. That
Yeah,
much to up your senses, nani, fire pan net.
Yes, hayi makini. Yeah, ndizojika ngahoyo alona kuthiwe hayi nje ibe into nje enganawanga ikhawuleza igqithe but xa uyi-woman komane kuphindwa back ngo-2022
Kuthiwa justice for Mbali.
yes hayi
Justice for Mbali.
njalo Mbali.
Hayi ke kuyavakala. Wena sisimbali, what's your take kule nto you abuse between men and woman? Ulwazi lakho kulonto lomba we-abuse.
Well, I would say, especially kusoloko kuhoywa thina.
Yeah.
Ayibo.
Yeah.
We always get attention when it comes to
Emotional abuse.
Yeah. Yabo. So asizibuza ukuthi thina amadoda.
How do they feel?
Yes. And then where do they get the anger
from?
Yayibona? Because silimazwa njena, it's because laa mntu ulimele ngaphakathi.
Kwaye.
Why?
So uya-reacta ke ngoku.
Yes. Andithi kuthiwa nyhani amadoda akakhali.
Yeah,
So indoda ikhalela ngaphakathi. Yayibona? So ezaa zinto
Xa seziphuma phaa.
xa seziphuma akubi mnandi. Ziphuma kuba yabona ngoku mhlawumbi wayehlukumezwe ngomnye umntu wesifazane. Kwakudalo ngoku naye azoyikhuphela komnye umntu.
Ngohlobo olungekho right.
Ivele ke ngoku ibe dangerous. So ifuna laa uba sizibuze ukuthi thina njengoba kuthiwa sihlukunyezwa ngamadoda thina siwahlukumeza kanjani, because I think we also have the impact, because laa mntu akavele nje akubethe for no reason. There must be something
underlying.
Ewe mhlawumbi ke ukhulele kwi-abusive family.
Oh yeah, trauma.
Yayibona ku-toxic yonke laa nto. Laa mntu akakwazi uthetha akhuphe le nto phakathi. Ikhupha ke ngoku sekuba violent ke ngoku. So ifuna laa nto sithi go back and check uba konakele phi kanye. Njengoba sekunje, yayibo, we must check ourselves. Masithethe, ifuna laa nto kuthiwa masithethe. Thethe into xa kudla ngaphakathi. Sofela ngaphakathi just because wena kuthiwa u-strong. Hayi, indoda ifela ngaphakathi strong. It's also a human being.
You know, flesh and blood, emotion.
Yes.
I-abuse kwaye lento abayifele ngaphakathi.
Sufela ngaphakathi. Thetha because umuntu nawe une-feelings.
True.
Yayibo. So sibonakala uba okay, hayi ndi-strong. Hayi
njengamna ndikhali mina.
Kodwa kusalayo phakathi uyakhala.
True one thing. Yes, ixesha is exactly 44.
Betha umbambile. So yena athathe i-advantage abethe indoda. Ekokuthiwa indoda ke ngoku yona ayibethwa ayithwali. Wena xa bamangale emapoliseni uzawuhlekwa phaa. Kuthiwa uzothanda uzawubethwa ngumfazi. Yayibona?
But xa umbethile ndiyakhala. They must really stop.
People must stop. Stop abusing others.
Abuse.
People must stop.
I like the rhythm of the
Abusing
song.
others.
I like it.
Ndithi wenze nge-AI le ngoma.
Yasabakini.
Yeah?
Uthini bayikini?
Ndithi ndiza kutyhola ndithi uyenze nge-AI le ngoma. Imntwana
Sithende kakhulu. Hey!
Stop. stop abusing others. People must stop abusing others.
MK is acting.
Hayi nayicinga nyanga lo zamokhela kufane lo. Stand by, sesizawungena ke sincokoleni ngalena ke ngoku. They must really stop.
Is to reach as many communities through our online radio. 047 Radio is providing a platform to engage in advice on educational programs, religious programs, and engagement with developmental stakeholders within our communities.
047 Radio, your voice, your vibe, your station.
People must stop, people must stop, in the name of Jah, must stop abusing men, stop, stop abusing us, stop.
People must stop.
Yes, I must stop. Yes, my Lord, take us through there. What happening there? Why are you chanting for the people must stop abusing I and I?
Yes, I. Ezingoma zilandelana ngalendlela. That because I was a prisoner, othetha ngeman abuse.
True.
And then after that, ndabuyela kwi-abuse lena yamntu wonke ke ngoku. If my vele iphele nje wayilento kuthiwa i-abuse ke ngoku. It's not about men and women and children, but people must just stop abusing others. Because that's what God wished to be. God wants us to be free.
True.
In regard of any color. Nobungeyiphi color, but umdali kuthiwa akanakhala and ufuna abantu babe free.
Yeah.
Yes, I and ke ndayirekhoda le ngoma lena ndathi xa ndifika eThekwini ndayosebenza eMandiyeni. Ndabona namandiya phaa uba heyi kuya-abuse apha.
They don't like you for yourself. They're telling you, what are you doing, my friend?
Yes, I thatha phaa.
Yo.
Ndizakugxotha mna. Ndayibona uba heyi nasemsebenzini kanti le nto kuthiwa i-abuse ikhona. Yes, I nami ndafika phaa ndizincibela amaphaqa kathiwa hayi uzosebenza ngazo ezi phaqa. Yo. Ndathi hayi kona bona i-abuse lena ngoba nayo yenye iphathi ye-abuse le. Because xa ndifika ndilimala phaya kuzothiwani andinxibanga nento zokuzikhusela ndisebenza ngephaqa e-hardware. Ndilayisha ii-blocks phaa.
Nento ezilimazayo zingaku.
Yes, I ndabona uba ikhona le-abuse phaya. Yes, I. People must stop abusing other people.
True. Wena Sisimbali, what do you think? Should people stop abusing each other okanye masose siqhube? Sawubona phambili.
It must stop because it's messing up ingqondo zethu and yabona ezi trauma sizifumanayo. Guys, no. It must stop.
Konele ngoku.
Jonga ngoku amangcoba agcwele ngoku. Kugcwele like every day we have
Kukho ispero.
Yo guys,
no phantom mojo now.
No. This is not
Yeah,
okay.
this is not
Abuse is not okay. Abuse is not okay.
True. I can pull away 047 radio sahleleni no MK Phoswa apha 047 blazing sessions. Itsho ke eza ku-inspirisha okanye sawuziva as we play your music.
Eza inspirishayo uba
Ubhale uqombayo wabona le message, I'm passing it on like yena le yokuqala, I'm a prisoner.
Yes.
What inspired that? And ivile there people must stop. You heard it from an Indian man telling you, hey, listen here you, if you don't work, I chase you away.
Yes, I. Le ngoma I think ndiyibhale ngela xesha le lockdown. Ndiyirelease ngoJanuary 2020. And ngela xesha le lockdown iabuse besiqhabakile ngelaxesha kuba ngikhumbula kakuhle
when suicide.
Yes, my king, because abanye abantu bebephelelwe imisebenzi bene-stress kumele uba umuntu uyohlala nee-families zakhe
akayiqhelanga ujamelana nomfazi.
Yes, my king. Ngoku ke ngapha kuphelile umsebenzi akho kutya, so i-abuse bezininzi abuse bezireport at that time. Ndabona uba no, I think it's the right time uba le ngoma le ndiyirelease ngoba zasikhona nezinye ingoma endandisebenza kuzo.
Yeah.
But ndabona uba I know, let me take this one.
True.
Yes, I work on it, and then I went to studio khona ngoku ke kwakhona i-lockdown because I was in Durban, and at Durban kulapho nami ndirekhoda khona, so kwavele kwalula ngosiloke down ndaya estudio ndarekhoda ingoma ndabuya nayo, and yathandwa kakhulu all over the world, yathandwa kakhulu le ngoma.
Yeah, man. So usebenze nobani umzekelo the producers and the composers?
Ku-music wami sisebenza sibabini apha. Ndim no-producer waseDurban kuthiwa nguColin Petty.
Hoy.
Collins Petty.
Yeah.
Yes, nguye owayenguproducer, mna ndacompose.
Oh yes.
Njengoba ngumdlali wesiginci ndabhala ndacompose, and then ndaya kuye estudio waniproducela wanicombinela wanimixela wenza everything umsebenzi wasestudio.
Yeah.
Yes, sisebenze sobabini.
Okay, that's Irie, my lord. Yes, you are still with your super Rastaman, the kinky original Rastaman boy, them King MK Wagapos, a blazing session. You see, we're burning the airwaves. We are about to get into the higher frequencies. We're mashing it up still. Block up. You see, more fire still. Namo bomba clad them abuse. Namo nani are them kiki man, chichi man things, you see. So let's move on to the other one, me brother. So we saw there happening, what they were there, so.
For I think for about 10 minutes. That one I'm almost suicide
Your station.
Yo, I Yo, dikhalelwe like nami ngabe ngiqomba ngizawuthini because abantu abafuna
bekukuningi
yo bekuningi
so bekuvele ekhala umculo
but then kanti hambe esikhathini yo Rastaman yo
okay
And they are ones.
That's not my fact.
Heart is much.
They're supposed
Heart
to
is
trend,
difficult to find true love. Mind is wise.
I haven't someone doing it.
But it's very hard to feel first love. Heart is much. But it's difficult to find true love. Mind is wise.
Mind is wise.
But it's very hard to feel first love.
very hard. Sakusola usilike so singaveli simnyama kakhulu. Yeah man, yes sir. Thank you my love.
They fight for them, thinking it's true love.
Yeah.
While it's
but if I do, kuzofuneka ndikhangele izulu. Abantu sebeqhelile i-BS.
Yeah,
Also abantu kuvotwa nje because kutshintsha amagama. Andisutshintshe.
So yakusho uzangena ngamaxesha.
Bendimuvelwe kule afternoon bandibuyisela kweli xesha, so I don't know sendisakukele namtsho. Kuthiwa ngapha ihlala phantsi
Ndibuza because ndibone imessage ethi umzukisi uzongena from 3 hayi izongena Sunday isiganene from 3 to 6.
Yeah.
It's difficult to find true love.
Just for you, supporting arts, cultural or sporting development programs. Our goal is to reach as many communities through our online radio. 047 Radio is providing a platform to engage in advice on educational programs, religious programs, and engagement with developmental stakeholders within our communities.
047 Radio, your voice, your vibe, your station.
Yes, you know how it is, 4:05. I'm still chilling with Rasfora Drake with Mbali in the house. They were there. So, yo, brethren, where do you make this music? What is the studio CP? Yo, Ivy things, my lord, Ivy things.
It's in Durban, my king.
Oh, they by the Indian man there.
Yes, I.
Yes, please take us through. What's the title of this one?
The title of this song is Heart is Smart.
Heart is smart.
Yes,
Hey. Yes, I will continue, my bad.
Yes, I. Nobody. The heart is very smart, but when it comes to love, it's difficult to find it.
Genuine love.
Yes. You can think about many things, very wise. You can use your heart in thinking what job I want, what course I want to study.
True.
And you can get all those things well. But when it comes to love,
Heart matters.
yes,
Heart matters, yes.
yes, I. When it comes to love, iyakwazi ukurobhakala inhliziyo, iyakwazi ukuqhatheka.
Ukufeyile.
Yes, ucingela uba lo muntu uyakuthanda, uzobona 3 years later kuba anthandwa apha. Yes, kudlalwa ngama apha. Abanye abantu bahlale kwi-marriage for 20 years. Abanye bazodivorce sebebadala. Fumanisa babeqale babe married bena 20 something years.
True.
Abantu bazodivorce into 65 maybe. But uthi uyeva kuthiwa nobe divorceile umuntu ufumene umuntu omsha. Uxa kuba hayibo phezulu kwalo ebemthanda abantu bebethi xa bebajongile bathi hayi aba bantu badalelwe nabo. Yes, kanti hayi abadalelwana kwabona kuzosuka something nje encinci ibaxabanise bave behlukane kube ngathi zange yake yakhona before the love.
Oh, vusamanxeba my lord, vusamanxeba kumkani. Zinyani zaphi ezo zincokolayo nam apha Rasfora Drake? Because andifuni ukuthi sisimbali ninganijudge. Listen, don't judge. Listen, don't judge. Yabo le nto ithethwa ngoRasfora Drake ne is on point hlobo lobana hey, in matters of love azilulanga as we think it is. Falling in love with a muma, a beautiful mbali walking down the street, uchazeke zidimples namehlo ne-voice kube mnandi naye xa iphendula kumnandi. Hey, jiggy along the line on the timeline. Hayi mna uzawuzicacisa ke ezi zinto angazithandiyo, kodwa ke laa nto utshoyo Rasfora Drake ba a heart is not that smart. Because ke ngoku ngexesha umbali andixelela izigaka zamane ndibulela yini sithando sami. Uyayiva sengixelele basika yakho wena imoto ayidumi awunamali kwathini kwathananga, but still I go hack myself with this Mbali lady. Still, but otherwise, if I love drones and technology, they never sasa back, they never talk back, they never hurt I unless I put my hand on the blades of the drone and then I get my fingers cut. You see? But otherwise, if inhliziyo yakho ayina AI uzawuhlala ukhubazeka ibe hurt inhliziyo yakho because it's not really that smart.
Heart is not smart.
That's not smart.
But I will heard her.
Yo, but I will heard her. Dog. And unfortunately, it goes for both ways in all sexualities. Associating your normal hermaphrodites, you know, even people with different sexual orientation, they do have these challenges. Dikenda boning video clip very disgusting. A lesbian girl uqhwaba umama we-girlfriend yakhe because i-girlfriend yakhe imcheated. By isakaza ngempama. Ubona ba apha i-heart was not smart in this case.
So, a lesbian girl.
A lesbian girl smacking their girlfriend's mother because her girlfriend cheated on her.
Imake ndifuna ukubuza.
Umama
ungenaphi?
Kaloku uzelele cheater. Uzelele cheater. Nizive izinto esithi go through ngenxa bana the heart is not smart. Unyanisile uRas for a dread ba unga aspirisha to become an engineer, a scientist, but if your heart is not smart, you fall for these unhealthy people. Umuntu azoqhwaba umamakho ngenxa ba uke wajikela somewhere, and those are lesbians, ne?
You.
So thina esintwini sethu andikwazi ukuya kumamakho ngenxa basixabene noma kunganyoni, yayiva. And futhi kwayeso sibindi sobana ndibe physical ke ngokwemzalini ngenxa ye misunderstanding between me and my partner. The heart is not smart. So you understand, but well, from another point of view of a sick person like that, angathi kutheni ungamqeqeshanga le girl yakho, why did you not groom her to understand bana you cannot just be frivolous. I'm not saying it was okay for her to do that because of that, but if the heart is not smart, AI artificial intelligence pandis. Yeah, man, it is exactly 12 minutes past 4 o'clock. Select kanjalo 6 o'clock up at Blazing Sessions. Ningalibali ke baphulaphula ninganiqumbele kakhulu too hard. Interact with us, drop a voice note, drop a message on our socials. Sikwazini ke ngoku interacta kakuhle. Ras for a dread. Anything more about this heart with AI, my brother?
Yes, I. Is out here now.
No, Kaloku, you are the author king. Otherwise, move on to the next one. You know.
Yes, I.
True.
Gugutige. Sometimes, and heart can be controlled by an anger. But I don't know what that anger is of it by the same heart. So I inhliziyo iyakwazi ukuba ibe dizzy. Yes, I.
So meaning ke ngoku Ras for a dread, what happens with us as males, we are dino yakatana, we are crying, right? Okay. But up in when with the ladies it becomes a bit higher. Because you know, yes, wow, dino and you see, so that's why we are given a privilege as male figures. But no, we are not allowed to abuse and misuse the trust of women and our beloved, very respectable African queens. But however, awunokwazi ukundilinganisa, ndingakushiya naxa sibaleka kwi-100 meters ndingakushiya phansi imbali. And it's not because you'd have issues and don't. It's because I'm a man, I'm flesh, ndingakushiya namandla, natural. And then on the other hand, when I psychologically, emotionally ungandishiya phansi ndishiyeke ndiglitsha nditwitsha because my heart is not smart. Ndiyokheleka lula nguwe ubuqolo yep nangijongeni uRasta nangijongeni yonke yep uyambona uclever
So in other words uthi angeke thina senze what you guys are doing, right?
You are doing it already. Is what we want. Politician man, let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one. Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one. We don't care about your color. Let us fight poverty, also inequality. Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one. Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Good leader
Is what
we want. Good leaders is what we want.
equality
Equality
is what
we want.
equality
Is what we need.
let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one and unite. Let us be one. Nana xenophobia. Oh, let us be one. Oh, let us be one.
We must come together, also love each other. Righteousness must rule this world. Let us be one.
Let us be one. Let us be one. Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Let us be one.
Stand by, siyabangena. Oh,
Let us be one.
oh, oh. Oh, let us be one. Oh, let us be one. Politician man, what do you know about unity? Them party why them bomber clap on the politician sing. Him fi divide and conquer the African man, they were there so. Ross for a dread, what name more fire still. Cause could be the people what name here in this here trade, my lord.
Yes, this song is begging the people to come together.
Oh,
Yeah.
not this match and match thing.
Not this mass and mass things. Yes. This message is straight to the leaders,
Yeah, man.
to the government.
True politician man.
True politicians, man. Yeah. I'm telling the people to come together
Yeah.
and also when they are choosing the leader, they must not just look for the color, because in South Africa, as I'm a South African, South African was ruled by the apartheid government owayengwabantu abamhlophe. Sasikhalaza ngaye ukuba ubacinezela abantu abamnyama. So zonke ezo sikhalazo ezo kuthe xa sesivunyelwa uba masivote ngo-1994, kwalapho sithi hayi sifuna umuntu owekhala yethu, and then sesenzile kanjalo. From 1994 besiphethwe ngurhulumente wabantu abamnyama.
True.
Still sisakhalaza. We are still complaining. So that's why on my song I say we only want the good leaders. We don't care about the colors, because urhulumente omhlophe usifeyilile, but at the same time there are people who say ebengcono urhulumente omhlophe nobe benobandlululo kunalo urhulumente amnyama, because ngoku sesikhala ngento ezintsha. Urhulumente we-apartheid sasikhala ngokuhlukumezeka.
True.
Yes, kulo wekhala yethu sikhala ngokungasebenzi kuba asisebenzi, sikhala ngepoverty, sikhala ngento zininzi nje.
Yeah.
Njengobana ngoku sekukhona into ye-xenophobia.
Hey.
Zininzi. Still sizikhalaza ezinto urhulumente wethu onjani omnyama, but nakowa umhlophe besikhala by the same thing. So into emasifocuse kuyo singabantu, because this problem is not only for South Africans, it's for
all of us,
all over the world. So masithi xa sikhethe i-leaders, sikhethe i-leaders ezinyanisekileyo, as willing to take us out kwi-poverty, not in regard of any color. If urhulumente ungumlungu, makenzele wonke umuntu, angenzeli abelungu kuphela. Yes, I.
True and thing. I give thanks for the words of encouragement and wisdom, my Lord. Rasfura Drake right there. So it is exactly 31 minutes past 4 o'clock. Oko siqhuba from 3 o'clock. And usisimbali apha ngathi unendawo zolala. Esisimbali khakha uvuke siphi ispin ipiano. Instrumentalist.
So ufuna amapiano wena.
Piano.
Ayike ndiyakuva.
So wena sisiwamona, what's your take kulento yemvoto and the politics